Welcome to Fulwari Education. Chapter 13. Human Resources. Get set go. Identify and tick the pictures which can help in the development of country. India is a large country. It is very rich in gifts of nature. We have very fertile soils, rivers, lakes, forests, rich wildlife and a lot of mineral wealth, but a very large section of our population is leading a very poor life. In this chapter, you will study about the importance of development of human beings. Man is also a resource. During the primitive age, early man had all the natural gifts in a lot of quantity, but he did not know their uses. With the passage of time, man developed himself and started using these resources more significantly. A thing of nature becomes a resource only when people are able to use it for their benefit. Human beings are different from other natural resources. People who are healthy, skilled, educated, hardworking, and adventurous are the real human resources of a country. Our country has a large population. According to the census of 2001, our country was over 100 crore while in 1981, it was only 68 crore. You will be surprised to know that about 50,000 babies are born every day in India. Although people of India have made a large progress in every field of production, but it is short against the population. They have made small and large machinery for the use in big factories and mills. People have manufactured many types of fertilizers, pesticides, chemicals, etc. These productions are very useful to make our soils more fertile. There has been great progress made in the means of communication and transport. New roads and railway lines have been built. Many villages are now connected by roads. Water, electricity, telephones, etc. are available almost in all villages. All these help to develop human resources. Major part of population in India still suffers from poverty and unemployment. All the people are not sharing the advantages of development equally. The rapid increase in population has added many problems to the country. So, our country is economically backward. To solve these problems, first of all, we have to control our population growth. Secondly, to stop migration. The government should provide more jobs and civic amenities in rural areas. The most important factor of the development of human resources is to provide education for everyone. These measures will help in decreasing population and developing our human resources. Recall: India has a large population. People who are healthy, educated, hard-working and adventurous are the real human resources of a country. A thing of nature becomes a resource only when people are able to use it for their benefit.
Like, share, and subscribe.